What is up, everybody? It's 8 a.m. right now, and I just woke up. As you can see, damn, my eye bags are really bad. Without further ado, let's get ready. Good morning, people. What's popping? Yes, I am back after one flipping year. Damn, it's been 1 year. Look at my eye bags. In this 1 year of time, I bought my own car, I got a job. Yeah, that's why I couldn't vlog because I'm working. I'm only free on weekends, which is not that cool, but it's kind of cool because I still have time to vlog. Without further ado, let's go get changed. Let's go and shower. Let's do a cool transition. Boom! And that's how we get ready. Yes, I cut my hair and showered in the same time. Thanks to the magic of editing, I did it all in one shot. I'm now heading to the gym. You guys are coming with me. Let's go. But before I go, let's take some pre-workout for them gangs. Yeah, I'm taking 2 scoops because we are meant to take 2 scoops. Alright, pre-workout ready, protein ready. Let's go. I was about to go to the gym, but my car doesn't want to work all of a sudden. I'm waiting for my friend to come and pick me up. Hopefully we can fix that soon. Let's wait for him. Well. Here I am back home, got ready. Me and my friend going for lunch. I'm not sure where are we going to. He told me that we are going to Chatti Sore. I'm not sure what shop is that. I've never been there before. Apparently the food is nice there. Many celebrities are going there because the food is really nice. So I'm not a celebrity, but we still can go if we have money. And we are going there, but I can't go for now because I have to wait for my friend because my car, I don't know what happened to him. He just doesn't want to work. He doesn't want to start. I tried starting it today. It was working well every single day. Now it just suddenly doesn't want to start. I've called the foreman and he's coming to check soon. He will do his work and try to fix the car, but still, no matter what, I'm still going to go to the shop, still do my grinding and stuff, work and stuff. Without further ado, let's wait for my friend. Hopefully he comes. If he doesn't come, man, I'm going nowhere. My car is broken down. Let's not waste your time and my time. Let's straight jump to the restaurant, I guess. Let's go. Wait a minute. Before I go to the restaurant and show you guys that restaurant, maybe I'm not allowed to vlog in there, I guess, because it's like a high class restaurant. We are not allowed to vlog in high class places. But before that, I went to the gym just now. I did a little small montage for you guys to watch. Enjoy.
None of these toys on lease to made your whole year in a week too, yeah. Main bitch out of your league too, side bitch out of your league too, House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks, a table cut from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face, man, all of my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't feel shit. Switch on my side, like to get it late. Switch on my car, I kill any pain. Look what you got. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you got. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Every day a nigga try to test me, Every day a nigga try to end me, Pull off in that roadster SV, Pockets overweight, getting hefty, Coming for the king, that's a far cry. I come alive in the full time, The competition, I don't really listen. I'm in the blue mood, song, bumping new edition. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks, a table cut from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face, man, I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see a shade. Switch on my side, like to get any lane. Switch on my car, I kill anything. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy.
What is up, guys? Yes, it is night. My car was being a freaking asshole. Doesn't want to work. Actually, my battery was gone. I don't know how. The alarm was working. Everything was working fine. Literally, the lights were all working fine. And can you guys even see me? I'm sorry. And yeah. And I brought the foreman. The foreman said the battery has some problem and stuff. I changed the battery and homie started to work. I'll show you guys maybe next time. You guys can even see one of my videos. I've posted it. You guys want to see my car, can see in my Instagram at Novin Bros. Without further ado, my friend told me to come and pick him up. We are going for dinner. Finally, going out of my house. I mean, I did go out from my house to, call the foreman and stuff. But then, I love going in my car. I prefer going in my car. Apparently, wait, it's not working. Apparently, Kabilan is coming here because he wants to park his car somewhere here. And we are going out. I'm not sure where are we going. I'm not sure what are we going to do. Don't worry, we'll be back by midnight because Indian parents. Nah, I'm kidding. Now we'll be back by midnight because we are responsible people. Yeah, did I show? That's my house. It looks really nice without the camera. It looks really nice in real life. Let's wait for him. Oh, Kabilan is here. Let me show you guys. Well, the yellow light you see? That is Kabilan. Damn, his car looks really nice. We are back from wherever we eat. I forgot the place name. How did I forget that? The food is really nice. I'm not going to promote the shop. They didn't sponsor me. So not back home. We are on the way home. Kabilan, my friend, we are in the petrol station. He went to the toilet. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess, because we are planning to go out tomorrow. So it will be a weekend vlog. And that is all for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. What is up, everybody? It is the next day. I just woke up and I came to the gym, not to do my workout, but to send the maid here because she have to do some cleaning and stuff. I haven't showered yet. I just washed my face and came here, and yeah, let's go back home, take a shower. But before that, I can still show you guys my car, or maybe a ride around in my car since I'm here. Let's do that. Let's go somewhere. You know what? I know a road where we can drive like really fast. So this is the road I was talking about. It is kind of busy. I guess. Why is he putting double signal? Oh yeah, Kabilan's house is somewhere here. Might see him later. Let's play some music actually.
The night has come, and the land is dark, and the moon is the only light we see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me.
We are back home, and yep, I have to park my car inside. It's not that hot, but nah, I'll park it inside no matter what. That's my car. It's so hard to do it all in one hand. Look at this. Such a beauty. That's another car. My dad's car. That's a construction car. What I mean by construction is my dad used it for construction and stuff. He worked as a contractor, renovating houses. He can also build houses, like how he did my house, our house. Yeah, he also owns a fitness center. I love my dad. Do you guys love your dad? Better do. I always see this mirror over here. I don't know whether you guys can see the reflection. That's how I park my car all the time. Let me show you guys my dogs. This is Thunder. Stop smelling the camera. That is Thunder. This thing here is I think about 27 years old, almost 30. It's one of my dad's first car. It's a Mercedes E280 masterpiece. I think 1991, I'm not sure. 1991, 1992. Nice. Back home, I am going to go for a shower. Yes, I am indeed in the gym. The maid has finished cleaning and stuff. I am going to go shopping, buy some stuff for YouTube and things, and maybe go for a great dinner because yesterday's dinner was not really that good. So me and my friend just planned we are going for a seafood restaurant. Not sure where, but hopefully the food is nice there. Probably next week I might go somewhere. Hopefully lockdown is kind of cool next week because another lockdown started. I'm not sure what is it about and stuff. Yeah, that's my friend texting me. You guys see? That's my friend Kabilan. I am following my friend. We are going to a seafood shop to eat some fish, I guess. Damn, he's fast. I can't keep up with him. He's a good driver. I'm a bad driver. Alright, okay, sudden signals. Whatever. Is that rabbits or dogs? Wow. I've never been here before. Okay, I think it's here. He's parked. On our parking, let's go. I'm back home from dinner, and yes, I didn't vlog my dinner because I just wanted to enjoy my dinner. I didn't even take a picture or video of my food because the restaurant was not kind of good. The food was nice, but the place was not nice enough for me to vlog it. And yeah, since I have nothing to show you guys, I didn't vlog much, I didn't do anything much, so I thought why not show you guys a small short montage of my car, and here you go. Enjoy.
Take a breath, we're going under. Try to make it back again. Waves are crashing in like thunder. Lose the war but win the game. Every shot that you do, felt the pain but we got through. When I don't know where to go, the circle leads to you. And every mile we've ever run, don't look back how far we've come. Close
is all for the vlog for today. I didn't vlog much because I had nothing to do, and yep, I just showed you guys the montage of my car. It's not much because it's dirty. It's in the house and it's night, as you guys can see. That is all for the vlog for this week. I'll see you guys next weekend, and let's end the vlog with a proper ram on my car. Wow. That's how it sounds. That's it, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.